Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace an alternator on a Ford Expedition. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This crucial step prevents any accidental electrical shorts or shocks while you are working. Make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch before beginning. You will need a few basic tools, including a 13mm wrench, a 15mm socket, and a serpentine belt tensioner tool. Next, we will tackle the serpentine belt. Locate the belt tensioner, which typically requires a 15mm socket or a specialized serpentine belt tool. Apply pressure to release the tension, then carefully slip the belt off the alternator pulley. Sometimes, you might need to move an air intake tube or other small components to gain clear access to the alternator's mounting bolts. This ensures you have ample space to work. Now it is time to disconnect the old alternator. You will find two main connections: a large power wire, usually secured with a 13mm nut, and a smaller electrical connector that often has a release tab. Once these are detached, proceed to unbolt the alternator from its mounting points. There are typically 2 or 3 bolts holding it in place. Carefully extract the old unit, being mindful of surrounding components. Finally, let us install the new alternator. Carefully place the new unit into position and secure it with the mounting bolts, tightening them firmly. Reconnect the main power wire and the electrical connector, ensuring they are snug. Route the serpentine belt back onto all the pulleys, using your tensioner tool to create slack. Reconnect the negative battery cable, then start your engine to confirm the new alternator is charging correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.